If 50% of 2y is 12, what is y squared? Alright, so 50% of 2y is y, and that's equal to 12. So y squared is equal to 144. 1/5 of 100 is equal to what percent of 400? Alright, so 1/5 times 100 is equal to 20. 20 out of 400 is also equal to 5 out of 100, or 5%. If 40% of x is 160, what is x? Alright, so we know that 40% is equal to 160, and we're trying to find 100%. So to go from 40 to 160, we multiply by 4. What's 100 times 4? 400. What is 20% of 20% of 20? Alright, so we do 20 times 2 over 10 times 2 over 10, which gives us 80 out of 100, or 0.8. What is 10% of a number whose square is 81? Alright, we know the square of 81 is 9 because 9 times 9 is equal to 81. Now, 10% of 9 is 9 divided by 10, or 0.9. If today is Saturday, what day of the week will it be 365 days from now? Alright, so we know that every 7 days, it will become a Saturday. So we do 365 divided by 7, and our remainder is 1, so the day after Saturday is Sunday. What is the remainder of 7,700,202 divided by 9? Alright, so a number is divisible by 9 if all the digits in that number add up to a number that's divisible by 9. So 7 plus 2 plus 2 gives us 18, which is divisible by 9 with no remainder, so our answer is A. What is the value of 11 squared divided by 10 squared? Alright, so we can rewrite this as 11 over 10 in parentheses squared, and that becomes 1.1 squared, which is equal to 1.21. Which scatter plot shows the strongest positive association between x and y? Alright, so when we say positive, that means it's going upwards, and when we say strongest, that means the dots are closest together, so our answer is C. If 3 to the x is equal to 10, what is the value of 3 to the x minus 3? Alright, so we can rewrite 3 to the x minus 3 as 3 to the x over 3 to the third. And 3 to the x is equal to 10, because right here, and 3 over to the third is equal to 27, so that's our answer. What time will it be 53 hours after 3:30 p.m. on Thursday? Alright, so we could break down 53 hours into 48 hours or 2 days, plus 5 hours. So that leaves us with Saturday at 8:30. 10% times 10% divided by 100%. Alright, 100% is just equal to 1, so we could get rid of that. And 10% of 10% is just equal to 0.01, or 1%. What is the square root of 81 times the square root of 25 plus the square root of 16? Alright, the square root of 81 is 9 times the square root of 25 is 5 plus the square root of 16 is 4, which gives us 49. What number is halfway between 2 times 3 over 6 and 4? Alright, so 2 times 3 over 6, that gives us 6 over 6, or 1, and 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. What is the length of RL? Alright, so we know that from here to here is 3, and from here to here is 4. So we have a 3, 4, and x. And because of the Pythagorean theorem, we know that there's this thing called a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so this is 5. Find 30% of 50 squared. Alright, so 50 squared, we know that's just 50 times 50, or 2,500. And to find 10% of that, we just move the decimal over one place, and we get 250. And to find 30%, we just have to multiply that by 3, and we get 750.